Holzkern Review 2025 Legit Wooden Watches and Accessories are buyer beware. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming all wooden watches are fragile or poorly made. The surprising truth is that Holzkern offers legitimately crafted timepieces and accessories, but there are things buyers should know. Holzkern specializes in natural materials, wood and stone, creating unique watches, bracelets and necklaces. You won't believe how striking these designs can be, with each piece featuring distinct grain patterns. Many users praise the build quality and the lightweight, comfortable feel on the wrist. Shipping and customer support are generally reliable, but delivery times can vary depending on location. Returns are allowed, but must follow company guidelines. The surprising truth is that some buyers overestimate durability. While Holzkern watches are solid, extreme impacts or water exposure can cause damage. Before purchasing, check product dimensions, materials, and user reviews. Photos from other buyers help gauge real-world aesthetics and comfort. Matching your style with the unique natural design ensures satisfaction. In conclusion, Holzkern is a legitimate brand for wooden watches and accessories, combining style, comfort, and quality craftsmanship. Focus on understanding material care, reviewing sizes, and reading buyer feedback to enjoy a rewarding purchase.